Hey my lovelies, my Chassis Pips! Welcome back to a new vlog. And this time we are unboxing Jor Beauty Holiday Collection. So this will be a huge haul. And I've got so many gorgeous pieces to show you and I cannot wait to dive in. So let's get started. But before we get going, you know the drill. If you're not yet part of my Chassis Pip Club, you know the drill, just click the red button subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted whenever I post exciting and fabulous vlog like this. Okay, without further ado, let's do this. My lovelies, my Chassis Pips. First, I want to sincerely apologize for the late posting of this Jor Beauty Holiday Collection haul. Due to family emergencies and the passing of my mother-in-law, I had to take some time away. Life happens, but we keep going. And thank you for your understanding. This video is long overdue, and I'm so happy to finally be sharing it with you. So please make sure you watch until the very end because I'll be announcing the final mechanics of my annual giveaway. Happy New Year to all of you. Wishing you love, peace, and all the best in 2026. Thank you always for your support, my lovelies, my Chassis Pips. For the Jor Beauty Holiday Collection 2025, the holiday packaging and overall festive design concept were created under the creative direction of Peter Phillips, Jor's creative and image director for Jor Makeup. He's the one who steered the look, theme, and visual language of 2025 holiday products. And the theme this year is Circus of Dreams. Yeah, so gorgeous. I really love the packaging. Always with Jor and Jor Beauty. Yeah. Okay. And this year's holiday packaging is just pretty. It was shaped under the creative genius of Peter Phillips and brought to life with a special artistic collaboration featuring Pietro Ruffo and PM Studio, making every piece feel like a work of art. Well, it's not a surprise already because Jor and Jor Beauty always come up with a good packaging. Only not good, but oh my god, magnificent, festive, and very gorgeous. Yeah, so let's start with this. So this one, I bought this from Rockwell. So from my beauty ambassador Liren, actually the account of Joaquin. So some of this for gift giving and gifts to me and for my personal use. Yes. Okay, so let's start this. So Liren, my CA, used to be in SM Aura. Yes. So I bought this. Oh, look at the packaging. Oh my god. So, and the ribbon, look, oh, so nice. And this is one of the limited. Actually, you cannot buy this anymore. And this set, and this is so limited, is already out of stock. Here, and ta-da! Oh, yan. Nice, diba? Sparkling. And with the stars. Oh my god. I really love this. Yeah. And my favorite items are here. The lip balm. And you better try the lip balm for your rashes. Actually, this is a lip balm. And hand cream. And even, you know, cream, lotion. But this is so good for rashes. And this is my body nowadays because I had an urticaria for 10 days. Oh my God. And thank you so much, Doc Kelly, for treating my skin. Yeah, this one. That one. So I already shown you. This is the classic packaging. And this one, this is the Jar Addict Lip Glow. And this is really good for your lips. Yeah. And if you apply this, it will match your lip color. Yeah. So this is so nice. Yes. Yeah. So I got this for myself and even bought another. I think I bought 4 of this for the doctors of Mommy Chit. And you can never go wrong with Jor Beauty. Yes. Okay. So that's the packaging. Yeah. And Liren gave me this star pouch. Actually, she gave me 2 and the other one is already beside my Christmas decor. So this is nice. This is a pouch. Yeah. This is so nice. Yeah, so nice. And not only that, I also bought some makeup for myself. Yeah. Of course, I need to get this one, the sequin lipstick. This is the famous. Every holiday season, Jor Beauty comes up with their sequin lipstick. Yeah. So this is $9.99, the red one. Yeah. So this is the packaging, the CD. Parang ganyan yata. Yan. And you can see here. So we will let it dry. Yan. Ayun, nakikita nyo na. Can you see the sequence already? Yan. And let's spot. That's it. There is a sequence. Can you see the sequence? Yan. Yeah. And you can also put a gloss here. Yan, if you want to. But for me, I will not put gloss on it. Yan. Nicey. And the other one, this one, the 100. Yan. Because these 2 shades are the only available when I visited Liren. And this one is my favorite. Yeah. So nice. Here. Oh, diba? It's like a nude. Nude. So it's just the same with the sequence. Yeah. Super nice. So I got 2 of the sequin lipstick. And one of my favorite Jar Addict lipsticks is 822. Yeah. So here, because I ran out of this anymore, and this is so nice. This is not a sequin lipstick, but I love the shades for everyday shade. Yeah, so nice. So that's it. And I got also this one. This is the 220. Yan. Here, this is a nude pink. I got pala 220. Yeah, this is a nude pink. This is a nice color also. Yan. So let's put it here. So you can see it's more pink. Yeah, I love it. I love the color. So we will not put na lang lip gloss. Yeah, later you will see when it dry. Yeah. Yeah, can you see the glitters? Here, oh, yan na. Yeah. So nice. Super nice. So I got the 220, 100, and the iconic 999. Yes, love it. And also, I got the limited blush. So this is Rosy Glow Starry Mauve. Yeah. And this is it. Ta! And can you see the stars? Yan. Oh, the stars. Can you see the stars? Yeah, I love it. And the shade is like this. It's not visible on my... Yan, there. There you go. It's like a cream blush. Yeah, I love it. Super love this blush. And with a star. Yeah. And I thought there will be no cushion powder case. That's why I was forced to purchase this. Yeah. This one is the Dior Star Edition Forever Glow Luminizer. So, let's see this. Hirap di ko mabuksan. So, here, it's so cute. This is like a cushion. It's like a soft leather. And this is the shade. Yeah. So this is the shade. Yan. And we can put it here. It's like an highlighter. So yeah, with glitters. So nice. Love this. And yun na nga, I thought there will be no cushion powders case because I'm collecting cushion, any design. Whenever Dior Beauty comes up with a cushion powder case or a highlighter case, I tend to buy it because I'm collecting it. Yeah. Yes. So these are the items I purchased from Liren, my beauty ambassador in Dior Beauty Rockwell. Actually, this is under the account of Joaquin. Yes. So I got 3 of these pouches. So this is mine, and the 2 are for the doctors who manage the condition of mommy shit. This one, yeah, the limited blush here, and this one, the highlighter, and the 3 sequin lipstick. Yeah, and it's 3 sequin lipstick. This is a 100, and this is the iconic 999. Yeah, and this is the 220, the pink nude. Liren gave me some samples. So these are the samples. So Rose and Roses. I also love Miss Dior Rose and Roses. And she gave me this one. Eau de Parfum, Miss Dior and Parfum. Yeah. Oh my god. Diba? Oh, here is the Eau de Parfum, my most favorite perfume in Dior Beauty. Next is the Rose and Roses, and next is the Parfum. Yeah. So this is 5 ml. Yeah, I thought it's 7.5. The one pala from Guerlain is the 7.5. So, yan. And, of course, lip balm. And this one, she also gave me this. This is the one you will put in your cell phone. Yeah. There. Sobrang nice. Yeah. Yan. And yeah. And she gave me the stars. Yeah. You know, I'm a sucker for stars. So this is the design, the holiday design this year. Yeah. And she gave me two. She gave me two. And she gave me two. Yeah, so nice. Very nice. So that's it for the first package. The second one, this one I purchased from Greenbelt under my account from my beauty ambassador Juvie. Yeah. So I got this because this is not available in Rockwell. Ayan. So I got this. Ta-da! This one is the one I'm telling you about. This is the cushion case. Yan. So I thought there's no cushion case. That's why I bought the highlighter. But it's okay. Yeah, this is nice. Super nice. Yan. And I got another sequin lipstick. This one is $7.20. So as per Juvie, I need to get this one because, oh, diba? Kita na agad ang glitters. This one is the, I think the one with the circus theme. Yan. So same lang nung $9.99, but it's more pink. Yan. Sobrang nice. This is also nice. Super nice. Yeah, love it. Yeah. And I got this. This one is so limited. This one, super nice. This is so nice. So I really need to get this. Can you see? So better we'll turn off the flash. So yan. So I turned off the flash. Yan, oh, can you see the stars? Sobrang nice yan. Sobra. I love it. And this is already out of stock. Yan. So yan. So it's just top coat, but you can apply first your lip balm and apply this. But it will also, oh yan, oh, yung glitters. Oh my god. Sobrang nice. Sobrang nice. Yeah. But it can, the color of this lipstick will depend on your lip color. Yeah. Sobrang nice. And also Juvie gave me some samples and gift with purchase. And this box I asked for Juvie because I will put it on my Christmas tree. Yeah. And she gave me some items. Oh my god. Super nice. Ta-da! Oh, diba? This is so nice. Yeah. And inside there is a perfume. So here is the perfume. So this is the product inside the box. And this is the Miss Dior essence. And you know what? I'm still trying this scent. And hopefully it will grow on me. But for now, I don't know. So that's why I didn't buy a bigger size of this. So they just gave me samples. And this is 5 ml. Yan. And Juby also gave me this samples. This is for men. And one of the best perfumes of Dior, the Sauvage. Yan. Diba nice? Nice. Yan. And this one, the Blooming Bouquet. Yeah. So I asked some skincare also from Juvi. Yan. Yeah, I love this. Yeah. And Juvi gave me some pins. So, yan. Very nice. And I love the elephant. Can you see the elephant? So I got 2 elephants and 2 monkeys. Yeah, this is a brooch. Yeah. And not only that, Juvi gave me this. Ta-da! Star. She gave me 2 of this star. And you can pull this out and it's easy. Yun. There. Just pull. And actually, well, you can remove this and you can put it on your Christmas tree. Yeah, nice. And also, she gave me this for the Christmas tree. Yan, that's all. Diba? Christmas tree or gift card. So you can put this. Yeah. You can use this as a gift card and or another accessory for your gift giving. So yan. And lastly, I bought this from SM, from Clau. Yeah, and you can look for Clau in SM Makati because SM Makati will always be my last resort. If the items are not available in Greenbelt, SM Aura, and Rockwell, go to SM Makati and you will get the items you needed. Yes. Okay. So here. So this I got from Clau. So I bought 2 pouches from her for the doctors, and some of the items here are for the doctors. So I'm not done yet giving gifts for mommy's doctors. And so here, this is the Hydra Glow Cushion. This is for me. I know I told you that I don't use cushion, but as per Clau, I need to try the new one. So we need to peel this. Okay, I need the scissors. So yan. So this is the lightest because I'm 01 yata to eh. So there you go. And this is the cushion. And this one. Ta-da! So yan. So but I will not use this yet eh. But I can show you. Nabuksan ko na eh. Yan na yun. So yan. Hi! And I think I can. Let's put this. Ay, ano ba yun? here ay forever. Ganito yata. I don't know. Paano ba to? Paano ba to, Clow? I forgot na. Forever. Parang ganito yata. Oh. Yan. Parang ganyan. Yan yata. Oh. Ayan, na-close na. And then you will put this. That's it. Pansit. Okay. So, yan. And since I always use Forever Glow Maximizer, so I need to replenish mine. Yan. And this is the best. Yan, here, oh. This one, this is the sequins glittery that I always apply on my skin. Can you see the sequins? Yan. Diba nice? Super nice. And this is the limited edition, the Abracadabra. This is the Abracadabra. Yan. Abracadabra. Yan. Since I don't want to, you know, run out of 100, so I purchased another 100. Yeah, so this one. Yeah, this one 100. And this one, I think, is the eyebrow mascara. Yeah. Cause yeah, this one, because I'm using an eyebrow mascara, not the pencil. I don't know how to apply it, the pencil. So aside from the eyebrow mascara, I use the cream with the brush. But I find it so easy to use the eyebrow mascara than the cream one. So easy, because when BYS gifted me the eyebrow mascara, which is so good, but until now it's out of stock. So that's why I bought this Jor eyebrow mascara. So yan. But when they will restock it, BYS eyebrow mascara is the best. Yan. Yan. And I bought this one. This is the Comforting Body Milk with Rose Wax. So this is, no, I will not open this because this is for the doctor. Yan. This is a lotion. This is a nice thing also for gift giving. So this is also nice for gift giving. Yeah. So this is a lotion. Yan. And ta-da-dan! So this one, this is a Merry Christmas gift from my hubby. Yan. So this one, yeah. So this is my favorite perfume in Miss Jor, Eau de Parfum in 100 ml, and comes with a travel size. This is the atomizer. And this is the limited travel size. So this is an atomizer, and this is refillable. I already own like this, but not the same design. So this is the travel size atomizer for this holiday collection, as you can see. And this is what I have. So this, I got this 2019 yata or 2020. I forgot. So it is gifted by my brother and my sister-in-law. Brother Jet and sister-in-law. Yeah. Kaya lang, oh, medyo ano na yung CD niya. So yan. So this is a Kanaj. So this one is Kanaj. Yan. And mine, this one is just an different pink. This is more brighter, and this is brighter pink or luminous pink. It's like a silky one. This one is matte. So yan. And it has, yeah, it has a perfume on it. And if you need to refill it, you will just take this off and you will just pop, 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 like this. Ganyan lang. Yan. You will just like that. Pump, 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 pump. So, yan. So nice. And here, ta-da! Actually, Clau gave me 2 of this. So, I already gifted it to my aunt. And this one, yeah. And Clau gave me this. And Clau gave me 2 of this, and I gifted to my aunt also the other one. So this is zero. My God. So this is it. No, diba nice? So yan. It's very nice. So I'm lucky to have Liren, Juvie, and Clau. Diba? So this one. So so it comes with Savage. Yan. You can see Savage. Eau de Parfum. So let's unwrap this already so that I can put now this on my Christmas tree. Ta-da! Yan. So yan. So nice. Oh my God. And ta-da! So yan, this is the Savage. And sobrang nice. So same lang siya. Yan, same lang. Yan. So yan, and this is this star is even better than the other one. Yan. Oh, diba? Ta-da! Yan. And another one. This one, I requested for another perfume. And this comes with the essence. This one is Essence. Yeah. Miss Dior Essence. Talagang ano pala, no? This one. So, yan. Yan lang. I have to. So, I have. Yan. 2 stars. Then the other stars here. From Juvie. This one. So, I have 3 stars. And so because I wasn't able to get the stars last year. Yan. So yan. So this is the same essence. Ayan. Oh, yan. So same 5 ml. But one thing I love in Miss Dior Essence is this houndstooth design. Yeah, super love it. So that's it, my lovies, my Josipevs, and here are all the items I pick up for this year's Dior Beauty Holiday Collection. Yes, as you can see, I'm just missing the 420 sequin lipstick and one more eye palette, the Backstage palette with the lilac and silvery white shades. And then I'm officially done for this year. And this officially marks the start of my annual giveaway. I'll be giving away 3 Jora Beauty items to 3 lucky winners, and the winners will be announced on February 15th. The mechanics are the same as shown in my last huge Jora Beauty haul. And if you watched the first 3 videos and commented the gift emoticon, you already have 3 entries. Yeah! So you have to comment down below the description box a star and a gift emoticons, and then your answers to my questions. Yes, and make sure to follow me on IG or Instagram for an additional entry. Okay, my lovelies, my Jazzy Pips. So thank you so much again, my lovelies, my Jazzy Pips, for your love and unwavering support. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Love you all, and stay fabulous, my lovelies, my Jazzy Pips, and stay tuned for more exciting and jazzy vlogs. Okay, my lovelies, my Jazzy Pips, what are you waiting for? So start your entry now for the annual jazzy giveaway. Love you all. Mwah.